Caviar is a food consisting of salt-cured roe of the family Acipenseridae. Caviar is considered a delicacy and is eaten as a garnish or a spread. Traditionally, the term caviar refers only to roe from wild sturgeon in the Caspian Sea and Black Sea. Benefits: caviar can help to maintain cardiovascular health due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Caviar contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals. A serving of caviar provides about an adult daily requirement of vitamin B12. This richness in essential micronutrients helps in the metabolism of macronutrients and maintaining immune health. Caviar has cardiovascular protective benefits. Caviar has polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, that can be valuable for prevention of cardiovascular disease. Caviar is a source of omega-3 fatty acids. 1 gram of caviar packs an entire day's worth of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help protect the body against heart disease. Caviar is effective in mental health. According to a study of people suffering from bipolar disorder, the introduction of omega-3 fatty acids to the diet reduced the number of depressive episodes. Also, amino acids found in caviar can help people fight off the symptoms of depression and bipolar disorders. Consumption of caviar prevents anemia. Caviar is high in B12 vitamin, which keeps nervous system and red blood cells healthy. Caviar is an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is important for the nervous system and for DNA production. Caviar is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which keep brain and mental health on a good level. Caviar is a great source of iron. A 1-ounce serving provides 19% of your daily needs. Possible side effects: because caviar is the eggs from fish, it shouldn't be consumed if you are a vegetarian or vegan. Health risks of caviar consumption are uncertain. However, caviar may contain elevated levels of contaminants including DDT, hexachlorocyclohexenes, HCHs, polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, and other organic contaminants. The levels of the mineral sodium in caviar may be too high for individuals with hypertension if taken regularly. Also, cases of food poisoning such as botulism has been reported with caviar, therefore it should be properly stored and not consumed if gone bad. Quantity recommendations: caviar is usually served as garnishes or part of other food items. About 2 teaspoons of caviar is recommended per time. Caviar may be consumed daily if so desired, provided no underlying health condition. Caviar can be consumed daily. 1 serving equals a tablespoon, which is 40 calories, 58% from fat, 6% from carbohydrates, 36% from protein. Caviar should be served and consumed in amounts smaller than a tablespoon. It is often present on lightly buttered or dry toasts and unsalted crackers or bread. Caviar is an expensive food and you may want to limit your consumption due to cost. A 1-ounce serving can be consumed and provides you with 7 grams of protein.